Hello everyone, welcome to Lekker Treats and thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we'll be making this quick, easy and delicious Chinese beef stir fry. But before we get started, please subscribe to this channel for amazing food related content if you've not done yet. As usual, all ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description box below. We'll begin by cutting our onion and bell peppers. And we'll also mince our garlic and ginger and set them aside to use later. Next, we'll be cutting our beef into thin slices. We'll add our garlic, ginger, black and white pepper powder, as well as some cornstarch and light soy sauce. Give it a good massage and let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. Next, we'll be preparing our sauce, and for this we'll pour some water into a bowl. We'll add some cornstarch, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil, and then mix everything well together. We'll be stir frying on very high heat. We'll pour some oil into our wok and then fry our meat. Try to stir intermittently. Once it's cooked, set it aside. We'll pour some oil into our wok and then add our minced garlic and ginger and stir fry for just a few seconds. We'll then add our onion and then our peppers. We'll also add our beef. And pour over this our sauce. Once the sauce begins to thicken up, we'll add our spring onions, which adds some freshness to our sauce. And there we have it, another simple, easy, and lekker recipe. You can have this with rice, Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Until I come your way in the next one, it's bye!